called Genergy, grounded and ready. But today we will dive into the process of arranging panels in series while utilizing Genergy specifications. I'll share this handy reference with you shortly to ensure it's considered. From useful lengths to accessories needed for parallels, we've got it covered. Let's jump right in. And we keep going, we continue in this knowledge, in this series of knowledge about folding panels and energy. Here we have a few deployed, the advantage of collecting the energy from the sun to store it in our energy stations, Genji green energy stations, by therefore zero emission portable. All the advantages it has. Taking your energy like you take the 6th refrigerator and the energy in the same place. Well, those are portable units, not to be confused with stationary units, which are those. There are other series that we also have that would be photovoltaic, insulated installations, etc. This is portable, but it lets us carry energy and do the work where we want to do it. This is the advantage of these systems. We already learned the other day how the parallels were made, how they were connected. Panels, boards of this type in parallel. Why? Well, because I want to transport 100. Well, I already explained it, but today we are going to learn how to place it, how to connect them in series, and how to also connect it with extension cords. Okay, I want to leave you here on the screen to see if I leave a little corner here, and here you are seeing it. Now that's enough. These are the accessories to make parallels. And this would also be the accessories, the cables to make extension cords. Keep in mind that the cable from the solar panel will not always reach the station. If you need this type of accessories, okay, there you have the references. You can see them on our page in Genergy.ts, etc., etc. Well, come with me and let's get to work. Well, I have several power stations here. What we are going to do is the installation of 2 panels of 300, that is 600 watts. We can do it on several. We could do it at 8:24 p.m. or in this case, we are going to do it in the GZ3040 because I have this one downloaded with a percentage that will allow me to see that it is going to charge now. Okay, look. These are the cables. Here you have the cable that comes to you with the board. This cable will always come to you with the board with the solar panel. And these are the extension cords that we have seen there in the reference. Okay, I already have them here. Accompany me. I'm going to leave this one here and we're going to place them. Extension cords, look, it's easy on the solar panel. We have 2 cables on this side. On this board, one is positive. And the other one is marked as negative. The positive is also noticeable because I have the rubber here, this one here, the toric ring that makes the link airtight is good. In the other, I have exactly the same thing. Okay, I have exactly the same cables. How are we going to do? Well, look, to make the series, what we do is make it negative. We are going to place it with this positive as you are seeing it this way. Okay, and what's left of me, Franz? Well, it's staying with me. A positive and a negative. Do you see it here? Positive or negative? Well, since it turned out positive or negative to me, I'm going to grab the positive that I have here. I'll lengthen it, the extension cord, and I'm going to place it here. There it is perfect according to positive, red positive, and the negative that I have here, I put it here to the negative. What is black? Okay, I already have a negative black cable and a positive red cable. Okay, now we're going to go to the power station to connect these wires. But first, I want to warn you of something super important, something you must never forget because this is going to cause a problem at the power station. When you go when you have already worked, when you want to dismantle the panel and take the all-important power station with you. It disconnects from the power station first. Do not disconnect here to pick up a panel and the cable is still connected here. That can damage the MPPT power station's internal charger. Be careful, this is important. Disconnect the station first, then do whatever you want with the panels. Don't even think of starting the house from the roof. Okay, let's go with the cables. We have the positive and the negative. Here we have our unit, and this is the cable that comes to you with the solar panels, with each panel. I would have received 2 of these cables because I have 2 300 panels. This one is the red positive. With red, you see black with black, there is UP. I already have my panel connected to the extension cord. I already have a distance to work, and like this unit, we see it here. The connector is the TX60. We see it here because we connect the TX60 there. It is connected perfectly. And now we see that the power station is valid. I have already registered the input, and look, 20 watts, 45 watts. That is, it is already starting to work on load. Okay, there we see it already recharging. All right, well, that's it. Thus 2 300 panels are placed in series. So much for more information. In Genergy.ts, on this page that I now show you, where you can see all our energy stations. You can see the panels, the connection plan that we have made here. That is, you can see everything so you can choose. But if you have doubts, well, as always, our phones, our emails are at your disposal to clarify any questions you have about our products and also how not. Super important. Never stop learning and exploring new knowledge. It's the way forward.